Hey, folks. I'm often asked by the voices in my head what it is that I have against order. Why is it that I tend to favor chaos so much? And I often answer those self same voices in my head by saying that to give an answer would basically be bowing to order, and therefore I will not answer that question. But I will give an example of how opposed to order I am, and that is I think we should abolish the paragraph. Yes, the paragraph. And I'll tell you why. I will tell you why we need to do away with the paragraph. I find myself sometimes with my nebulous, free thoughts, these amorphous globules that just bounce around me, and occasionally I am goodly enough that they merge with me, and I'm allowed to speak them out. It sickens me that they then have to be put into a way of understanding for others, letters and words. And we take those letters and those words, those symbols, and we put them into a structure called a sentence. And that sentence holds those thoughts down. It binds those thoughts, that beautiful creativity and that beautiful freedom. It takes it and it just ties it down to those particular characters and symbols that we call letters into words and then into a sentence. And that sentence is then read by someone else, and they try to pluck out the very essence of the thing that I didn't want to put there in the first place, but I had no other way to convey it. And then we take these things and we say, well, put them in paragraphs. And the paragraph will be a complete thought. A sentence is just a part of the thought. A paragraph will be the complete thought. Unfortunately, it just never works. It never actually captures the essence of what one is trying to say, and therefore paragraphs are really honestly awful. As far as I'm concerned, we should all speak in just broken and complete sentences. Anything you have to say should fit into a sentence and nothing more. Or, if you use this method of transference, speak as you will, from the heart. But don't tie it down. Don't write it into something that has to be spoken in a particular way. Allow it to be free, like the thought was supposed to be, like the essence of the thing that you're trying to convey. Take care of yourself and take care of others. I'll talk to you soon.